Time for some Thursday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to begin with our neighbor in Crestline, Ethan Jesse, celebrating birthday number 6. Hope it's a great one, Ethan.
And Landry Morey is celebrating 7 years in Lamar, Missouri.
And over in Fort Scott, we've got John Emerson celebrating number 24. Happy birthday, John.
Chad Kennedy is celebrating 52 years in Columbus, Kansas.
And over in Parsons, we've got Alan Grimmett celebrating birthday number 54. Happy birthday, Alan.
Deanna LaMiller is celebrating 72 years in Pittsburgh, Kansas.
Also turning 72 would be Diane Blackburn over in Oswego. Happy birthday, Diane.
And celebrating in Columbus, Kansas, John and Carla Crane is celebrating their anniversary together.
All right, happy anniversary to the Cranes. And last but not least, we've got Zoe Carrier celebrating number 24 in Baxter Springs. Well, this is a very short list and not a lot of birthdays or anniversaries on it. Amber, where do they need to send them so we can celebrate with them?
Well, you can just submit your birthdays with a photo, of course, to birthdays, that's plural, at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today. All right, let's take a look at